Hello, Namaste and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then I am Dr. Nitika Anand, a certified fitness trainer and a nutrition coach. I have been training women from past 8 years now and have helped them to eat better, to live healthier, to ditch the scale and to be the better version of themselves. Till now we have covered upper body, lower body, core workouts and beginner circuits. बट आज का वर्कआउट इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज वर्कआउट्स अलोन आर नॉट इनफ. So in today's episode, we will talk about what to eat before your workout, what to eat after your workout, early morning versus evening workouts, foods to avoid, and why protein is so important post-workout. If you are a beginner, then please keep watching till the end. So let's understand why pre and post-workout meals matter. Many people, especially beginners, they have a common question. Can I work out empty stomach? Is protein really necessary? And why am I tired post-workouts? सो बहुत बार आपने देखा होगा कि कभी कभी कुछ ऐसे डेज होते हैं व्हेन यू कंप्लीटली स्मैश द वर्कआउट, यू आर फुल ऑफ एनर्जी ड्यूरिंग द वर्कआउट एंड योर रिकवरी इज ऑल्सो गुड पोस्ट वर्कआउट. बट देन देर आर सम डेज when you don't have the energy to complete the workout and your recovery is also slow. So here's the truth. Your pre-workout food will give you energy and your post-workout food will help you with recovery and results. If you don't fuel your body properly, you may feel low on energy, your recovery becomes slow and you may lose more muscle instead of fat. So let's break this down very simply. Your pre-workout meal should be easy to digest, should give you quick energy and should not feel heavy on your stomach. Ideally, pre-workout meal is taken 30 to 60 minutes before workout. So in your pre-workout meal, आपको focus करना है on carbohydrates to give you quick energy, some amount of protein for muscle support, some fat to give you sustained energy, and a very small amount of fiber before workout. So if you are someone who works out early morning and don't feel hungry, that's okay. Don't force heavy food. You can start your day with a glass of lukewarm salt lemon water. You can add a spoon of chia seeds to it. After half an hour or 45 minutes, you can go for a cup of black coffee with some soaked almonds and walnuts. Or you can also have a cup of bullet coffee. If you don't want to have coffee, then you can go for a small banana or 2 small dates or some soaked black raisins. If you need more energy, then you can go for a cup of black coffee and a small banana with some soaked almonds and walnuts. Or if you don't want to have coffee, you can just take one banana with some soaked almonds and walnuts. Or you can also have small banana or apple with a spoon of peanut butter. Make sure peanut butter has a lot of calories, so just 1 spoon is good. So what all foods to avoid if you are doing an early morning workout? Firstly, make sure you don't eat a heavy breakfast, no fried foods, no milk based heavy meals and no high fiber foods. Remember, a light fuel is better than no fuel, especially if you are a beginner. Now let's see early morning workout, post-workout meals. So this is the most important meal of your day because after workout, your body needs protein to repair muscles and carbs to restore energy. So here are some ideal post-workout meal options which you can eat after your early morning workout. So you can have a protein smoothie in which you can add whey protein or plant protein plus any fruit. You can have whole eggs with a multigrain toast or a sourdough toast plus 1 avocado if you want to have. You can have a besan chila or a moong dal chila, stuff it with veggies and paneer. Or you can have a Greek yogurt bowl, top it with some fruits, nuts and seeds. Try to have your post-workout meal 30 to 60 minutes after your workout. Now, if you work out in the evening, then timing of your pre-workout meal matters. So 2 to 3 hours before workout. So if you are having your lunch at 2 p.m. and your workout is at 5 p.m., then you can have a proper balanced meal. You can have roti, rice, eggs, paneer, chicken and veggies and curd also. Now, if you have done your lunch at 1 p.m. and your workout is at 5 p.m. and you feel hungry before workout, then you can have a cup of black coffee, dates or banana, or you can also have a scoop of whey protein. So what all foods to avoid if you are doing an evening workout? First of all, make sure you don't eat heavy oily meals, no sugary snacks, no alcohol and no junk food. Now let's see the post-workout meal options if you have done an evening workout. So post-workout meals in the evening should support recovery and should not feel too heavy on your stomach. So here are some good post-workout dinner options. You can have protein smoothie. You can have paneer, tofu or chicken with veggies. You can have eggs in any form with veggies. You can have a bowl of dal and a sabzi with a Greek yogurt. Make sure to keep it protein focused and balanced. Now let's talk about protein because this is where most beginners go wrong. So जब आप workout करते हो, your muscles undergo wear and tear. The fibers they break down. Now protein helps to repair those fibers and to rebuild them stronger. That is why we say कि जब हम workout करते हैं, we are not building muscles when we are working out. We are breaking the muscle fibers. The real progress happens in the kitchen. That is what you eat post your workout. So post-workout protein will help with faster recovery, less muscle soreness, better strength. It will support your fat loss journey and you get that toned, strong body. Remember, you don't need fancy supplements, you just need consistency in your food. Now here are some common mistakes which I see that beginners make. Number one, they skip their post-workout meals and instead they go for tea or coffee as a post-workout. Or they eat junk after workout, or they avoid carbohydrates completely after workout. And the most common is they undereat protein. Remember, workout is 30% and your nutrition is 70%. Then only you will get the desired results. So here are some final tips for beginners. To keep it simple, eat light before your workout, never skip a post-workout meal, add protein daily, stay hydrated, be consistent, not perfect. Fitness is not about extremes, fitness is about sustainable habits. If you are a beginner and want structured workouts, simple nutrition guidance, safe and sustainable results, then I conduct online fitness and nutrition sessions. Details are there in the description below. So in the next episode, I'll be showing my pre and post workout meals. So subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the episode. Hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video and comments में बताओ कि आप morning workout करते हो या evening workout. Stay consistent, stay safe and I will see you in the next episode. Bye.